we have to address the elephant in the room.
Okay.
I-mention sa episode na to na after 4 years, ngayon lang kayo nagkaroon ng chance na magkaroon ng mag-uusap ni Marina. And medyo kumakalat na rin online na merong mga nangyari. So,
Kumakalat na.
So, how's the feeling na after 4 years of not talking with your season 1 sister, eto, nagkaroon kayo ng chance?
Masarap sa feeling dahil nakita ko yung Marina na kakilala ko before Drag Race, na caring, loving, smart, at pina-feel niya sa akin na she cares for me during episode 9. And I'm happy to see her and see her grow and mature.
So, ngayon, kamusta yung relationship niyo ni Marina ngayon?
We're getting there.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you!